Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends, this is 40-inch LG LED TV. In this TV the complaint is spotlight issue. Here you can see the spotlights on various part of the screen. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints related with backlights. Here actually the backlight LED reflectors fall down. This is the reason for spotlight. See, now we opened the panel frame. Here you can see these reflectors are falling down easily. So there are two methods to solve this issue, in which the first method is to stick this reflectors back to this LED backlight using a strong gum. It will solve the problem, but considering a fact that these LED are already 4 years old, so in near future there is chance for no display issue. Because of that, considering the above facts, here we are going with second method, that is replacing the entire LED backlight with new one. See, finally here we replaced entire backlight with new one. Here we uses the new model backlight with square type reflector. It will help to rectify the reflector falling defect in old model backlight. Now in this condition, let's connect panel and all sockets, connectors, everything back to the TV. See, now work is done. TV is now working properly without any spotlight issues. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.